Hi, for this portion, I would like to discuss embracing conflict as positive in terms of managing conflict. Firstly, in terms of conflict, many people have a notion that conflict may be negative. However, one thing that may be important for students is to understand that conflict may be positive. And this in and of itself may be a strategy in terms of resolving conflict for students to be better prepared to resolve it. From actual experiences of University of Phoenix students, we gathered some information, and students in their statements acknowledged that conflict tends to arise at times over the topics in the project format, and that there are three ways to view conflict that may be helpful in terms of seeing conflict as positive instead of negative. One thing is that disagreements are a necessary process of refining a project. So sometimes when we present ideas and they're challenged, it helps us refine the project and also make our ideas and thoughts clearer so that other people may understand the idea that we seek to present. Secondly, conflict unfolds defensiveness and leads to open-mindedness. Some students in their projects were challenged, and it enabled them to overcome some preconceived notions that may have been wrong or needed more development. And by seeing or accepting the challenges from other students, it led them to abandon some of their incorrect thinking and also develop some of their raw ideas to be more refined. Also, pushing through barriers of conflict help us build resilience. From the University of Phoenix staff and students, this was a point that was made in terms of students and staff being able to have more resilience in presenting their ideas, because in terms of life in general and also working with other people, our ideas may be rejected, and sometimes we may also have strong opposition to our ideas. So the question will be, how will we react to the opposition? And by having conflict, that enables us to build resilience and be able to move forward with more strength and more resolve in terms of either maintaining our concept and refining it, abandoning it without any harsh repercussions, and also perhaps being able to accept the scrutiny of others as a method to improve our own ideas. Lastly, in terms of resolving conflict, another point that was mentioned, just to reiterate, is that the strength of a learning team charter is very effective, and that a method of conflict resolution should be included in that learning team charter, so that the operating agreement by which students have formed their group has a methodology to manage the conflict as it arises. So, in summary, by understanding that conflict is positive and having a methodology to resolve that, which ideally will be placed in the learning team charter, students are able to better deal with conflict, better react to it, and also resolve it based upon understanding that positive conflict is necessary and is a part of the learning team process.